Hello, my name is Sumit Bhamboo and I have scored All India Rank 1 in GATE 2019 exam in Mechanical Engineering. I have completed my graduation from IIT Bombay. I am a student of Made Easy regular classroom course in Delhi, and I would like to sincerely thank my parents, my friends, my Made Easy batchmates and all my faculty members without whose support it would have been impossible for me to achieve this success. Especially मैं thanks कहना चाहूँगा कक्कड़ सर को और मोंडल सर को. कक्कड़ सर की एनर्जी और मोंडल सर के जोक्स ने मुझे मोटिवेशन दी इस एग्ज़ाम में कंटिन्यू रहने के लिए. एंड मेड इजी हेल्प मी टू गाइड माई प्रिपरेशन इन अ सिस्टमैटिक डायरेक्शन. All the faculty members here made passionate efforts to teach complex concepts in a simple manner. Moreover, the Made Easy online test series offered me ample chances to practice a variety of questions in an exam-like environment, and that really gave an edge to my preparation. The video solutions in online test series were very conceptual, and I got many shortcuts to solve the tricky problems, and that gave me an extra edge during exam time. And the syllabus was completed by December end, and so I got around 40-45 days to practice on myself and review old test papers so that I can see what mistakes that I had made and try not to make them again in the examination. And my suggestions for all the future aspirants would be to not fear getting wrong and to practice as many tests as well as previous year question papers and to keep a cool mind. Thanks a lot and best wishes.